this truck here came into my possession, I think in 96, 97, I don't know. Anyways, it's nice, not perfect by any means. 1965 Ford F100. Now, the owner prior to this was my father. He gave it to me, and I actually used this vehicle as an everyday vehicle for a very long time. Basically, the conditions that it's in. Yes, it's rough, it needs work. And, well, as I'm learning stuff, I guess I'll get better and actually do stuff. But prior to my dad having it, it was my grandfather's. So this is a family vehicle. Now, my grandfather, I believe, well, it too is an old military vehicle. So I believe he bought it at auction, and I would say sometime during the 70s, because it's brown and white. Seemed like everything was brown and white. Like I said, it's rough. And, oh, that big ding you just heard. This part of the fender flexes ever so slightly, and it's just enough to catch right there. That's part of the reason that I haven't been using this vehicle for a long time. If I hold it like that and pull, there's no sound. It doesn't do that. That's going to be one of the first things I fix, among other things. But like I said, it's rough. At some point, someone switched the seats out, but it's still an all original vehicle. Yes, it was 3 on the tree. It got converted. My dad and I did that as a project because the linkage, all the little bushings inside had messed up. And oh, side note, I have gotten a lot of thumbs up because of that, and was also told that it was the best accessory this gentleman had ever seen on a truck. Grandpa put that there at one point and, well, blew through the wall, or someone did. The bed is original, you can tell, but it's a neat little short bed, half ton. So I think maybe we'll do a video of opening it up and starting it. And no, it's not a V8, but it is a short bed, step side, without the cutout on the other side for the spare. I like it. It's pretty cool. And I still have the original linkage for the 3-speed. Oh, I guess I was going to tell the bushings that all ride on these through the firewall. Yeah, well, these, they all got worn out, and my dad was at a gas station one time, and he couldn't get back into gear so that he could get going. It messed all up. But now the shifter, as you're going through, it's just worn and old, and it pops out, and then it's hard to wheel around and find that pin again to get it back in so you can get going. But anyways, this is another project, and it does run. Maybe I'll do a video. That's another good door. Well, anyways, and there it is. Oh, let's see. Hold on, that being so damn close, no one can see anything. There we go. It's a good truck. And I have options as to what to do with it, but I think what I'm going to do is going to make it fun and keep it basically original. Alright, we'll do a startup video next. Triage Garage.